What's up guys, this is Robert with Permagard headquarters. Today we're going to be doing an initial application on this 992 Carrera S. The paint's already in excellent condition, so today we're just going to be applying the Permagard coating. And just as a quick reminder, paint correction is not required to apply Permagard, therefore we're going to preserve this vehicle's overall paint thickness, keeping its depth of gloss and shine intact. Let's get to it.
Hi, I'm Luc D'Argencé, the founder of Permagard. I'm over here in this magnificent park in South Florida to present to you this 2021 Porsche 992 Carrera S that has just received our Permagard coating for exterior and interior surfaces. As you can see, this vehicle has a very deep shine to it, which we call the wet look effect. The wet look effect is what has made Permagard famous in the aviation industry. So what you benefit from is an aviation grade coating designed for your daily drive. What people don't understand is every single time you compound or polish or cut the surface of your paint, you remove a thin coat of clear coat or a thin coat of paint. What that does is it actually reduces the thickness of your paint. And when you reduce the thickness of your paint, you lose that deep gloss. that new showroom shine that you had when you took delivery of your vehicle. Permagard is applied directly on top of the painted surface and will actually fill in micro scratches that are in the painted surface. And that's what gives it this incredibly deep gloss. So we applied the Permagard coating to the wheels. You can see that they're really slick to the touch. We applied the same Permagard coating, of course, to the painted surface, which is incredibly slick to the touch. And we applied the tire gel, the Permagard tire gel, directly on the rim of these tires. That creates the contrast between the tire, the rim, and the Permagard coated surface of the paint. And then we applied the Permagard coating on top of the headlights. We applied the Permagard coating on top of the windshield, which is also actually quite nice because it doesn't have that effect where your windshield wipers will stick to the surface like our competitor products might do. Very slick as well to the touch. And we applied a Permagard coating, a Permagard trim coating for the black trims. And also you can see that it's really lustrous to the look, and it creates a nice contrast between the actual black plastic trim and the painted surfaces.